Hello class, it's another day that we continue with the equation and inequalities. And today we are on our fourth lesson of this topic, and we are going to do simultaneous equation 2. So now we are going to, in the previous, which is simultaneous equation 1, we used substitution, whereby we are expressing one form in the form of the other one, then you substitute. And remember, I told you that when we talk about substitution, think of football, whereby when one player is removed, the other player comes in. But today we are going to eliminate. Elimination, we think of a football match where someone has been given a red. Once you are given a red, then there's no coming back from that. So you have to stay outside. So today, that's exactly what we are going to be dealing with here. In other words, we are going to have any equation, then we are going to eliminate one of the derivative of x or the derivative y. One of them will be eliminated. So, now, in our first example here, suppose we are having x plus y is equal to 83, and x minus y is equal to 18. Now, solving of this kind of problem require your knowledge of laws of integers. For example, when you have a plus and a negative, it should be negative. When you have a negative and a negative, this one should be plus. When you have a plus and a plus, it should be a plus. And when we have a negative and a plus equal to negative. So these are the rules that are going to guide us in solving this equation. What am I talking about? Suppose you have 2 plus minus 2. This will be like 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And this one we can have 2 minus minus 2, which means this and this becomes a plus. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we can have 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we can have 2 minus plus 2, which is mean 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So these are laws of integers that are going to guide us through this section. That being said, the first thing we have to consider that whatever we want to eliminate, we can eliminate either x or y. Whatever it is that we want to eliminate, we have to have the same coefficient. Coefficient meaning that if we have 8x, so the coefficient of x here is 8. If we have maybe 10 y, the coefficient of 10 here is, of y here is 10. So we have to consider a situation whereby we are having same coefficient. Now, let's say we want to eliminate this y. And by elimination, we are looking for a sum that if we put, we are going to get a 0. For example, this is a positive y, and this is a negative y. So, we are looking for a value that if we put here, it will give us 0. For example, if we put a minus here, a minus and a minus will give us positive. So that will be y plus y, which is equal to 1. But what we are interested in is in getting a 0. So if this is a y, then this one is a minus y. Sorry. So if suppose we put a plus here, plus and our minus will be y minus y is equal to 0. In other words, what we are going to do, for us to get our value of 0 here, we have to use a plus. In other words, we are going to add the first and the second equation. So we'll say x plus y plus x minus y is equal to 83 plus 18. So x plus x, bring the x plus x plus y plus minus y. Y plus minus y is the same as y minus y. Is equal to 110. So 1. So what happens here? We're going to have 2x plus 0 is equal to 1, 1. So 2x is equal to 1 over 1, divided by 2, divided by 2. X is equal to 50.5. Targeting that, we come back to this equation. We say x plus y is equal to 3. But we found our x to be 50.5 plus y is equal to 83. Y is equal to 83 minus 50.5. What does it give us there? 32.5. In other words, our y is 32.5. So our x will be 50.5, while our y will be 32.5. So that was the first example. On to our second example. Our second example, 5x plus y is equal to 27. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now, I prefer if you eliminate the one on the three side, because the coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of y is 1. So, how can we make this 2 0? If we take y plus y, if we put a plus y, we decide to add. Suppose we decide to add. Y plus y will be 2y. But if we minus, y minus y is equal to 0. So in other words, what we are going to do, we are going to minus the equation. So 5x plus y. And what are we going to do to minus? Minus, the down one, 2x plus y is equal to 27 minus 6. So if you are minusing the equation, you also minus the numbers. So you bring the like terms together. 5x minus 2x minus y minus y is equal to 27 minus 6 will be 21. So 3x is equal to 21. So being that we have a 21 here, for us to find x, we divide here by 3, divide here by 3. Here 1 is 7. So in other words, our x is equal to 7. Then we can take either of the two equations. Then we substitute the value of, suppose we take the second one, 2x plus y is equal to 6. But what is our x? Our x is 7. So 2 times 7 plus y is equal to 6. So this will be 14 plus y equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 14. Y is equal to 8. So the first one, x is equal to 7 there. Then substituting the value of y becomes 78. So on to our next example, dx minus y is 0. Then x minus y is equal to negative 16. Now we have negative y, negative y, negative y, negative y. Suppose we add this one. So negative y and negative y is negative. So minus y is equal to y. So in other words, what we are supposed to do here is to minus. Suppose now we put a minus here, instead of addition, to eliminate y. So y and negative will be positive. So negative y plus y, this means like 0. So in other words, what we are going to do here is to minus this one. So we are going to say 3x minus y minus x plus y is equal to 0 minus, and this is minus 16. Is 0 minus 16. Don't put 0 minus 16. That will be wrong. So it has to be 0 minus 16. So bring like terms together, 3x minus x into minus negative y minus y is equal to 0 plus 16. So this will be 2x minus 0, so that will be 0 is equal to 16. So in other words, divide by 2, divide by 2. Here 1, here 8. X is equal to 8. Value is equal to x is equal to 16. Now, after doing that, we can take any of the two, the one which seems easy. Then we take the second one, x minus y is equal to negative 16. Our x is 8 minus y is equal to negative 16. So negative y is equal to negative 16 when 8 goes to the side comes to 8. So negative y is equal to negative 16 minus 8 becomes negative 25. And you cannot have a negative value of y. So in other words, you have to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1 to get rid of the negative. This negative goes from that, this goes from that. In other words, our y is equal to 24. So that's what you're supposed to do there. So that's our third example. To our fourth example, here. X plus y is equal to 19. And we have y minus 5x is equal to y. Now, we want to eliminate y. So, y have got the value of, or rather coefficient of 1, while x, one is 1, another one is 5. So, I'll rather eliminate y. And I can start this by rearranging. So I can say, or this one can be written as negative 5x plus y is equal to 1. So instead of having y minus 5x is equal to 1, I can bring this one, 595 this side, then this one being a positive plus is equal to 1. Remember, it has nothing as close to the equal side yet. So the value, or rather the sign, remains the same. That will just be rearranged in the same kind. So after that, we are going to have this one can also be written negative 5x plus y is equal to 1. Now, you are comparing this and this. Now, you see this is positive y, this is positive y. The only way we can eliminate y is by minus. Because if we add y plus y to 2y, but the only way you are going to rearrange it to be negative is by minus. So we are going to minus, so x plus y, then minus negative 5 plus y, 5x plus y, sorry, is equal to 19 minus 1. 19 minus 1. So, what happens next? We can say x minus, and remember this minus 5x, minus 5x minus y minus y is equal to 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. So minus minus becomes positive, so it becomes x plus 5x minus 0 is equal to 18. So in other words, this one becomes 6x is equal to 18. So what we do here, we divide here by 6, divide here by 6. In other words, our x is equal to 3. After finding our x to be 3, then we can do what we call division. So, substitution. X plus y is equal to 19. Then, our x we've already found to be 3 plus y is equal to 19. So, that means y is equal to 19 minus 3. And y is equal to 16. And as you can see there, x is 3 there, y 16.